Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, we're gonna make some famous or the most delicious buffalo wings. All right, so guys, I have 1 pack of wings, and make drain out the water here. We're just gonna pour it out in this. And it comes with the sauce. All right, I'm gonna use back these later, okay? Or you can use any sauce of your choice, okay guys? We're gonna rinse it off with some vinegar, about 2 tablespoons. Or if you don't have vinegar, you can use lime or lemon juice, all right, or some salt water. All right, look at that goodness. Now we're gonna put some seasoning on it. You don't have to put a lot. First, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon of paprika. Over here guys, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of my garlic paste, and then this is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of onion powder and garlic already in it guys, so that's good. A little bit of black pepper. You want to put about half teaspoon or a teaspoon, depends on how much you want in it. That's it. You don't want to overdo it. We're just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon, or you can put 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in this. This just gonna help hold all my goodness there together, all the flavoring. All right guys, and I'm gonna mix this again. If you don't have cornstarch, you can put maybe a tablespoon of flour for now, but we're still gonna dip it in the flour later. All right guys, we have about a 1.25 cups. You can use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and you want to season the flour a little bit. Now I'm going to put about half teaspoon or a teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, and about half teaspoon of onion powder, a little bit of black pepper, maybe half teaspoon, and a teaspoon of paprika. And we're gonna give this a little mix. This is where the goodness comes in. All right, and the oil is here. I have my deep fryer, and it's on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, because that's chicken we're gonna do there. It tells you if you're cooking fish or chicken, and it says 12 to 15 minutes. And this is the goodness here. And what you want to do, you want to take up a little bit at a time, and we're gonna dump it over here. Here, if you want, you can add eggs to it, but I'm not gonna do eggs today. So we're just gonna, because lots of people don't really eat eggs. And my oil is ready, and you just want to coat them in the flour, dust it off, and we're gonna put it here. See that, Amir? And then we're gonna put some sauce on it after. This Amir gonna eat off everything, you know that? Amir will eat all of it, you know? You don't tell her you eat a lot?
She
huh?
knows I eat a lot.
And we're gonna fry like 2 sets, right, Amir? Because we want it to fold. It's okay, I'm gonna put all of this and then I do the next set. It's a lot, it's a deep fryer. Alright guys, we're gonna let this fry up. Now we're gonna make the buffalo sauce. Alright, you can use whatever you have at home. Now I'm gonna use the 2 pack of barbecue sauce. My son in my video today, guys. Alright, and now we're gonna make this thing spicy. Open this for me, man. Open this. I have this sweet chili. It's up to you. You put whatever you want in it. I'm gonna put about quarter cup. And this is my crushed red pepper. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. My son can't wait to eat it, guys. He's in the kitchen with me. And this is my Grace Jamaican hot pepper. Put whatever hot pepper of your choice. Alright, so we're gonna put some of that. You put whatever you want. You can make it more spicy, you can make it mild. And this is my Sriracha hot sauce. I'm gonna pour some in. As I said before, you can make it spicy or mild. My daughter will eat it, so I don't want to put too much. Alright, and then we're gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Ooh, look at that goodness, guys. And that's it. And look at this, guys. They're almost done. 5 more minutes and we're gonna take them out. 5 more minutes, right? I mean, yeah. On the last 4 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna cover it. Oops. Covering it, make it soak and steam. All the flavor in it. All right, and then I'll come back. All right, guys. Yes, they're all done, ready to come out. Can you see the goodness? Yeah, there you are. We're gonna take these bad boy out, and we're gonna put these bad boy. Look at the goodness there, guys. You want to take it now? Okay. My son said I should use this to take it out, guys. Okay. And we're just gonna put them here to drain off the excess oil. See how good it is, guys? Crunchy and light. Alright, guys, I'm gonna fry up the next batch and then I'll come back. We're on to the last set. And guys, as you can see, the kids them start eat out the chicken already. Lord have mercy. They can't even wait. And we're just gonna transfer all of them on it. Can you see the goodness? You hear that, guys? How crunchy they are. Right, over here, guys, you want to give your sauce a little mix, and then you're going to pour it right over it while it's still hot. All right. Woo! Can you see that goodness, guys? And that's it. All you want to do is just mix it up. All right, just give it a mix. Look at that. Can you see the goodness there, guys? Crunchy, crispy, full of flavor. Woo. And that's it, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Ooh, spicy too. All right, guys, that's it. Look at the goodness. All right, guys, this is my son. He's gonna taste one. Go ahead, Ami. Taste one. Tell me how you like it. Oh my God, you're ripping it up, boy. How is it? It's good? Oh my God. Guys, the boy not even make me play it, okay, guys? He grab it up same time. All right, guys, you have a good day. Bye. My son loved the sauce so much that he puts it on the fries. This is the final result. Yes, I serve it up with some fries. Boy, I couldn't even wait until I make the dish. But anyhow, guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon ya. Yeah, spicy buffalo wing, my way, my style, with some French fries. Have a good day. Bye, guys.